Hi, I'm Mrs. Martin. This is Darius and Annabelle. We all work with Lego League and figured it'd be a little fun to try out a project. So this week we are going to build Lego boats and see how well they float. Let's have fun! But what was the point of the building style? Like, what were you going for?
Making like it so it doesn't make any cracks, so it doesn't make it water go through it, and then make it sink.
Okay. Is it super light or is it really heavy?
Light in the middle.
In the middle? Okay. All right. What was the point behind yours? How did you come up with that idea?
I'm trying to make mine light and see if it doesn't sink because mine has the bottom. And I know I have holes right here because probably so it can have like air in it.
So for aerodynamics?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the point behind my boat was to keep it slim, not too heavy, but give it some shape to it, kind of like a little mini speedboat. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting our boats in the water to see how well they float. Oh, all right. Well, that was an interesting one, huh? They all seem to be floating pretty good. Don't seem to be taking any. Uh-oh.
Oh, I know what happens.
Looks like Darius's boat's taking some water on. Oh no. So far they all seem to float pretty well.
Thank you for joining us. Tune in next week.
Bye.